Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, lived many plants. They all had a special trick, turning light into food. This magic is called photosynthesis. First, plants drink water through their roots. Imagine tiny straws sucking up water from the soil. Next, leaves breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. It's like how we breathe in oxygen. Inside the leaves are tiny green helpers called chloroplasts. They contain chlorophyll, which grabs sunlight. Think of chlorophyll as a solar panel for plants. Now, the real magic begins. Chloroplasts use sunlight's energy to mix water and carbon dioxide. This creates sugar, which is the plant's food. It's like baking a cake, but with sunlight. The plant uses this sugar to grow big and strong. It's how they build leaves, stems, and flowers. As a bonus, plants release oxygen into the air. This is the air we breathe. So, plants not only feed themselves, but also help us. Photosynthesis is super important for everyone. Different plants have different ways to do photosynthesis. Some plants in the desert have special leaves to save water. Others in the rainforest have big leaves to catch more sunlight. Even tiny algae in the ocean do photosynthesis. They float around, making food and oxygen. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants. And without plants, there would be much less food and oxygen. So, next time you see a plant, remember its amazing trick. They are like tiny food factories powered by the sun. Let's learn more about the parts of a plant. The roots anchor the plant and absorb water. The stem supports the plant and carries water and nutrients. The leaves are where photosynthesis happens. And flowers make seeds for new plants. Plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow. Nutrients are like vitamins for plants. They get them from the soil. We can help plants by watering them and giving them space to grow. We can also protect forests and other plant habitats. Plants are essential for a healthy planet. They clean the air, provide food, and give us beauty. Let's appreciate and protect them. Now, let's talk about why photosynthesis is so important. It's the base of the food chain. Plants are eaten by animals, and those animals are eaten by other animals. Without plants, the whole system would collapse. Photosynthesis also helps regulate the Earth's climate. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. This helps reduce global warming. So, photosynthesis is not just about making food. It's about keeping our planet healthy and balanced. We can all learn from plants. They show us how to use the sun's energy to create life. They teach us about the importance of balance and harmony. And they remind us to appreciate the beauty of nature. So, let's celebrate plants and their amazing ability. They are truly the superheroes of our planet. Remember to thank a plant today. They work hard to keep us alive and healthy. The end.